Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So this video we'll be doing something different. A little flight to, I know it isn't what I know you to do. You hear some mouse clicking because I managed to do I could have managed to oh yeah, I forgot to could have managed to manage the sensitivity. So on today's, I got back after a few months. Haven't been here I haven't played for a whole lot of time to get down. Yeah, here I go. So we'll be doing a flight from an airport I really like. Oh crap. Okay. I'll show you in a moment the flight plan. I'm just getting some. I think I downloaded the wrong one file. So we're doing a flight from somewhere like really much. And we'll be starting in RAM 225 with everything synced, of course. And we'll be doing a little flight. I'll be showing you the flight plan right now. So just take out. So here goes. As you can see, there we are. You'll be running goal. Let me just throw in my flight tracking software. It never works with scene brief for some reason. That explains I'm typing wrong. SPC. So almost as a line. Skip. Maybe later. So I need more on aerodrome parking. Sure. Okay, got it. And 225. I've never flown a long time, so excuse me. Okay, how do I unset the IRS? Yeah, whatever. No, nobody's gonna care, right? Not around. Shut up. Yeah, so we're gonna use BCA S B. still seeing the... Oh yeah, yes. That's alright. It's SVGR, okay. Let's show this. Later figure out how to put the thing in the above so you guys can see it again. Connect one. So let me just look at the HCB. I can do one company round. Yep. Activate. Execute. So let's go path init. So do a few way reserves we got to think. I don't even know how much we got to be fair. It's definitely not in here. Flying. Wait a minute. Oh, so let's get some fuel. 2 hours, I guess. For now, until the fly like 30 minutes extra. Let's get a bit of payload in here. DII time. I guess maximum crew oxygen. Okay, done. Apply changes. I changed 0 fuel. I don't know how to fill this. I'll just put 13. That's it. The cost index can be 1. You should know. So we're going to flight level 240 for cruising altitude today. Using reserve fuel. Cost index actually 0.7. Using reserve fuel. Reserves is 1. No. Using reserve valve. God dang it. I don't know how to do this. So for here, let's actually do the calculation. So I'm going to performance tools. Not gonna show you guys here because you already know how to do this. So you're flying 737 800. 737 800. Airport SCB. SBC. Oh, let's miss it. Populate water, take off way. Populate from last line. Calculate. Maximum runway way. Nobody cares, right? Take off not on. So we're doing this by hand. So take off. Flaps 5. Perfect speed. Thank you, plane. Okay, so let's go to climb. 240 speed. 300. That's over. 300 slash level 240. It's a speed restriction. Target speed would be 350 there. Yeah, I don't know what I'm doing, to be fair. Cruise. Oh shit. Let me just do 350 in knots. 350 knots. Mach. It's 0.42. 0.420. That's a target speed. Say 40 cent. EG 239. Speed restriction 24. Using reserve for who cares. And then sessions next video. That seems good enough, so let's just do forgot how to do this, so just get the map up to max. Seems all fine. we got any round discrepancies? Nope. Seems so good. So flight director. Okay. Get inside up. So few point. Let's find what the APU. On. And run and take alter, bleed off, 24 out in order, once we called APU fixed. It's a long time to say don't do it, okay? It's just engine. CPU start. How do I know it's starting? Forgot how to check it. How does a pilot forget how to check? Yeah, anti-brake to reject the tank. Man, how do I know it's on? This is not gonna work. So let's do this. Altitude off. Close that. Cockpit to. That one's good. And what is? Man. I think APU is on. Let's see it that I see the APU. Okay. We'll disconnect the ground part. A light. Nobody cares about a light. So I think it's everything fine. There might have been some crucial stuff, but okay. So let's plan our pushback. Pretty good at it, plan.
Grounded to cockpit, plan acknowledged. Please call me through the menu when you're ready. Grounded to cockpit, tow is driving up.
Let's get everything set. Let's get faculty. So engine twisters. I think everything's fine. Then let's get the light. Logo, steady, anti-collision, wing. Let's wait for the tone to be set.
Okay, all doors and hatches are closed, ready to connect.
Let me just Vina. That's great. Focus to ground. I think I'm missing something. Finish him right. I'll run you up in here. Off. It shuts down. Still don't know what's going on. That's why I never went to use it. No hate towards Boeing fans. I actually like a Boeing, but sometimes you forget. Like actually, I'm not dude. I know what I'm doing. Even if I just inject a few to have it in. No. Did I even start the APU? I think I did. Yeah, it is started. Rammed off from moving. Let's return this off. Return neutral. We did the isolation valve after all. Oh, was the isolation valve?
Ground to cockpit. Please show me where you want to go. The bypass pin is secured.
Okay,
Please release parking brake.
I'm showing the few.
Starting pushback now, and you may start your engine.
They're both to auto. So they got a good start on engine 2. What the fuck? The ground code there. Here we got some issues and the pushback guy. And ignition to the left. To the left, please. To ground side. How do I know? Because if many passengers are gonna die. Off and off. Made a passengers die. Set to 40. Set down. Not gonna be doing date because I'm way too lazy. To get few. Got a good sign on both engines. On, off, back to auto. To off. Oh, I actually managed to do this. Amazing. It's probably just gonna be. I think we're never gonna get to the runway there. Let's set flaps to 5. I did forget a keybind as well, so I'm in a bad situation here. I think we have stopped.
Operation completed. Please set parking brake.
Hello passengers, welcome to this flight to Grunion. This is the captain speaking. I have no idea what I'm doing. I hope you enjoy your flight. I just blinded a pushback guy. So, have a good flight. You're in safe hands, by the way. Disconnect. Just do this. And my co-pilot is doing his announcements. I don't have a co-pilot. Come on, my man. Speed the goddamn up.
So disconnect and bypass pin has been removed. Hand signal on your left, sir. See you next time and have a safe flight.
Bye bye. So we're gonna take off from this side, I believe. No, we're not. We'll take off into the 10 out of 10 taxi assignments from the beautiful captain. It's lovely. Yes. So look at this on taxi off. Wing off. So let's get them. This beautiful engines moving. It's fine.
$80 knots.
80 knots. Stable.
V1 rotate.
Rotate. Keep it steady.
Positive rate.
Positive rate of climb. Gear up. Auto engage. Auto pilot on. I think I just hear another flaps.
1,000.
Trying to get a. Why aren't you getting on? Okay, so we got a little bit of an issue. I'm gonna start turning. Okay, there. Provide a second track. Should turn off dome. There we go. With the darkness. I think I'll set it to dim. It's a bit of light. And then should I just increase the panel lighting? Okay, just increase the panel. We just got a massive failure. This is not good. Uh-oh. What's CPU? So we are coming down. I think I forgot to open something. That's a battery though. That's the emergency car. Intent. That's not a funny journey. Let me pause. What's the flashlight button? This is not the best situation to be using a flashlight. I don't know why these are heated. Yeah, found it. This might be worse than I thought. I think we have got a complete electrical fail. On. Oh fuck. I don't serve this quickly enough, we're going down. Overheat. Why did you overheat? Deodorant was off. I think we just flick it off. Where is this going? Why not completely dark? We recovered power. Okay. We need to fix this. First, we have no instruments at all. We've got to cue the engine at the moment. Tron is only reached a minimum. With 7,000. We've got a battery discharge. Disconnecting. Pressure. If you bleed on. Solution falls. Backs off. Backs off. Ground start. Need to hold on to do that. Cabin out of here. We need to go down. Oh, mayday, mayday, it is go. Oh gosh, I don't even know my name. The emergency squawk 770. We are officially declaring emergency. Mayday, mayday. We'll get down, so now they're all gonna die. Engine fail. We've got an engine fail in here. Hey, does he you dead? When no APU bleed, the APU is gonna explode. Right, shit. My only hope would start in second engine. You bleed. Axe off. I trust your engine too. Alright, gonna control just fine. Electrical separation. I need to tell the passage to brake. I need speed brake stop. I need to slam up. Come on. Oh. 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 Falling right. Balls. It's full. Okay. Doesn't work. 5. Your dream no issues. Stand to fall. Brace for impact passages. Gear down. Max. Just check what's the brake. B. Just gonna pull the bar and go. Push down.
Positive rate.
Push down. Ah, come on, let me road here. There, I just got 1, Should take this. Should be extinguished. Okay. This was actually crazy. I am so glad I actually got that recorder. Forgot to fly. Fly. Toggle reply mode. Like, actually, what happened? What I'm wondering. So we're flying here. You can see it's perfect. You can see it's going smoothly. This is everything already had failed. And this everything already had failed. Where was it working? Around here. We're still having power in here. We'll fly. And around the light. Let's check the flight deck at this time. And so this match does not match that flight deck. Match the crash plane flight deck. Just for you to see. This thing is not working. At the right of it here. Slow down. That's fine. But this is not easy. Here. The pocket here. Those are really down. Until they shut off. Here you can see they're shutting off. And that is the start. 28 minutes of the flight. Fully full. Then of course, prepare for the nodus landing. We still had lights. That was fiddly. So this is when we were going full dive because I wasn't looking, and this was amazing recovery. I'll show you the spoilers. Then the landing gear go down. The landing gear goes down. They go down. You can sit here. Oh, but then there's land. We touched down, but we lost. No, it's going to be okay. Okay, so now it was not how I expected it to be ending. So I'll be posting this. Pretty cool, man. See you in the next one. Bye bye.